On today's video, I will show you how to buy shares using Easy Equities app. Yes, on today's video, I'll show you how to invest. This will be so easy and so simple and straight to the point. So simple, guys. So as you can see right here, own your first share, right? You can buy PEPE shares, Discovery, MTN, Telcom. They have almost all these companies, guys. All you have to do is just have to watch this video until the end. I will show you step by step. Yes, before I start, I just want to say shout out to you guys. Thank you so much for subscribing to this channel. If you didn't subscribe, make sure you hit the subscribe button right now, and on my next video you'll get a shout out. Yes, I'll be using the app. Yes, I'll be using my app. I won't use the web version. I just like to use the app because the app is so easy and fast. Yes, guys, as you can see right here, this is my portfolio. I'll show you the details and the available amount later. So the first thing that you must do, you must make sure you create an account. Right, to create an account, so easy. You enter cell phone number, your name, your email. So easy, guys, so easy. I won't waste much time on that. So all I have to do is just have to check the second link in the description. Click on that link, then create an account. Right, then create an account. So if you are using Capitec, this will be so easy, right? If you are using Capitec, go to your Capitec app. Okay, go to your Capitec app. You can scroll to the bottom, or you can go to explore. Right, you can go to explore and then explore, then go to live better. Right there you can see, right, live better. You can see partners, right, Easy Equities. You can just click on Easy Equities, right? Easy Equities, you just link your account. You link your Easy Equities account to a Capitec app. This will be so easy if you want to transfer money, right? So I recommend this. If you are using Capitec, please link your account. So to transfer the amount will be so easy and fast, right? Just link your account, then after you link your account, you'll be able to transfer money. So let me show you how to transfer money. Okay, since I'm on my Capitec app, let me just show you how to transfer. Right, this is the first thing that I'm going to show you. Right, click there, you can see the transfer funds. Right, transfer funds. If you want to withdraw, you can just click on withdraw right there. But let me show you how to transfer funds from your Capitec app to Easy Equities. Right, from Capitec app to Easy Equities. Even if you want to withdraw, you can come here on withdraw, then withdraw your money from Easy Equities to your Capitec account. So here you just have to enter the amount and then click on transfer. Yes, if you want it to reflect immediately, you can just click there on immediate transfer, but I just recommend transfer because you're not in a hurry, right? So just click there. Right, you're just gonna enter the amount right there. Let's see, I want to transfer 50 rand. Right, let's just say I want to transfer 50 rand savings account to Easy Equities. If you want to send it to TFSA, you can also click there. Right, so let me transfer it to my Easy Equities. So if maybe like I want to transfer it maybe to Easy Crypto, I can do that on my Capitec app. So I'm gonna do this so easy, right? This was so easy, and just like that you are done. Right, you are done. Please note, transfer can take up to two working days to reflect. So sometimes it will even take less than 2 days, right? So now let's go back to our app. So you can see right there, right, can see the Easy Equities, Easy Equities USD, Easy Equities. This one is for Australian market. So as you can even see the conversion right there, Australian dollar, USD is US dollar. Right, you can see the currency at the time of recording this video. Right, so this one is tax-free savings account, Easy Properties. If maybe you want to buy some property, buy shares. Yes, buy shares. This one is for Easy Crypto. If you want to invest in crypto, Bitcoin, Solana, docs, PEPE, you name them. If you want me to go deep on Easy Crypto, just comment down below and I will show you how to buy cryptos using your Easy Equities app. Right, so on today's video I will just show you how to invest like to buy shares, MTN, Capitec, Netbank, you name them, right? So now let me go to invest, right? Let me go to invest right there. Click on invest, right? Click on invest. It will take you to this page, right? They updated this app, man. This app now is super dope. It's super dope, right? Super dope. You can even see that they also have an AI. Yes, they also have an AI. Make sure you update your app, right? If you already have this app, make sure you update it so that you can see the latest features, right? So let me click there on my investment. Okay, if you do not know what to buy, you can click the invest with AI. You can also click there on invest with AI technology. This is not financial education video, and this is not even a financial advice video. I'm just showing you how to use this app, Easy Equities, right, guys? So make sure you read before you do anything. Just because they say invest with AI technology, I mean like you will make money, right? So okay, make sure you also do your own research before you buy. Like if you want to buy MTN shares, like go there on the MTN app, right? Go to MTN app, check the MTN app, go and Google MTN. Like just because of you are using MTN, I mean like you must buy MTN shares. If you scroll to the bottom, you see more options. You can even see the frequently traded. You can see Shobrad, Capitec, you name them, guys. So if you can go to the top right there, you can see that if you maybe then Easy Equities, can go there, TFSA, there USD crypto property, guys. You can see all this. So I'm just gonna show you using Easy Equities. So I just want to buy this share. Okay, where is shares? Where it is? Okay, 500. Okay, let me click in this. I just want to buy this with the available amount. It will be so easy. Just have to click there. If maybe you have 50 rand on your Easy Equities, click on Easy Equities, then you'll be able to use the available amount. Do not use, if you have 50 rand in account, you cannot buy using 50 rand exactly. It must be less than 50 rand because of the fees, right? Because of the fees. So all you have to do, just have to go to the bottom right there and then enter the amount. Let's say maybe we have 50 rand, maybe we can say 45, right? 45, then you'll be able to see the number of shares that will receive. Yes, you'll be able to see number of shares that will receive. If you want to donate. If you don't want to donate, it's all fine. And after that, we'll have to click here, but we'll have to click on buy now. So since I do not have anything on my account, you see fund account. Okay, guys, if you just want to see how the company was performing, you can see there, right? The performance in 6 months, 1 year, and maximum, guys, and maximum. So you can even see there more about the company. You can click there on show more. You can even click here on show more, guys. If you are using web vision, you'll be able to see some website that you can check more about the company. So let me check my app if I'll be able to see. Okay, I don't see that link. You can also click here on learn more. Maybe you'll see it, but you'll be able to see more about the company, right? So this is a list of 500 companies, if I'm not mistaken. Yes, list of 500 companies, and they did it they collect them together and put them together, and then you can just buy, guys. So this so easy, this so simple, guys. If you want to buy shares, you can do this. If you want to edit to watch later, you can do that. So you can see right now, this is on Sunday. At the time of recording this video, Sunday, so I won't be able to do more things because of the market is closed. If you want to transfer funds, you can go there on my funds, right? Click there on my funds. It will take you to the page. Click there, right? Click there on my funds. Right now I just want to show you how to transfer the amounts, right? So if you want to deposit, as I showed you, using your Capitec app, you do it like like how I showed you. If maybe you are using other banks, maybe you're not using Capitec, you can click on one of these. Maybe if you want to deposit into Easy Equities USD or Easy Equities, you can click on it, right? It will take you to the next page, and on the next page it'll show you the bank details that you can use. And also make sure you do not miss your reference. Make sure you do not miss your reference, because if you miss your reference, the money won't reflect, right? So if you want to transfer, you can click right here. Let's say maybe I want to transfer from Easy Equities maybe to Easy Equities USD. Click there, right? Click there and click here on here, right? Can click here on Easy Equities to Easy Equities USD, right? Then after that, you guys go to the bottom right there, and then you'll see the available amount. If maybe you have some funds, click there, then it will convert, and then the money will reflect in, like, I think it's about maybe 2 to 3 days. 2 to 3 days, guys. So if you want to withdraw again, it's so simple. Click there on withdraw, right? Click there on withdraw. It will take you to the next page, and on the next page you must enter your bank details, right? Make sure you use your own details. Make sure you use your own details to withdraw your money. Okay, you just have to click there on withdraw. If maybe you have money in your Easy Equities, click on Easy Equities TFSA, just like that. Let's say maybe I have money in my Easy Equities, click on it, right? Click on it. It will take you to this page, right? It will take you to the next page. The network is slow right now. Okay, it will show you the amount right there. It will show you more details right there. Maximum portfolio access. Okay, this is the maximum portfolio access that I can access. So here, right here, just have to enter your bank details as I said, right? You can see they verified my account right there. They verified my account. Make sure you use your own details, right? Make sure you use your own bank account details, right? You can even see the more details right there. Request received before 2 p.m. Monday to Friday will be released from our bank account by 4 p.m. Blah 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 blah. Guys, yes guys, this is all on how to use this Capitec app. If you do not understand anything, comment down below and I will help you guys. As I said, let me show you my available amount, right? Let me go and show you my portfolio, right? Let me go and show you my portfolio. I will also show you my crypto portfolio. I think I checked my crypto portfolio about 4 months ago, if I'm not mistaken. Yes, 4 months ago. Okay, in 3, 2, 1, boom, I have 913 and 61 cents. Yes guys, this is my available amount. So as you can see right there, the available amount to invest, I have 50 rand.91. Boom. Okay guys, you can even see there the graph was growing, dropped from thousands. There was a time I had like 1,000, so I withdrew some money. Yes, I took some money. Okay, now let me show you my Easy Crypto. Let me show you my available amount. So here on Easy Crypto, you can see there I have like 312. Let me click on it and show you. So as you can see right here guys, you can see my Easy Crypto account. Minus 50 rand guys. So yes guys, this other website that you can use to buy shares. It is cheaper than Easy Equities, right guys? So if you want me to drop that website, please comment down below, let me know, and I will drop that website as soon as possible. So I have PEPE and Fluky. Yes, PEPE and Fluky, and this is the coins that I bought. This is the coin that I bought only these 2 coins. You can even see the available amount down there guys. So guys, this is all on how to use this app guys. This is all on how to use this app. Yes, I took some money. From this account 7 days. Let me show you. I'm not sure if it was off. Okay, it was on around of 500 somewhere there, on 500 last time. Okay, no, it was over 1,000. You can see that it was on over 1,000 over 1,000. I took some money, I used it, blah blah blah. I also like I took profit, and I also took some money because I just wanted to use it, right guys? So this is all on how to use this easy Equities app, guys. So if you find this video very helpful, please comment down below, let me know. Please don't forget to hit the like button and the subscribe button. Peace. So